A gum. This is Brother Michael King bringing you another video here today. And what we're going to do now is we're going to look at what I'm up against on this old 57. Now, the rocker panel, we done some grinding. And I don't know if you can see, but I ground off the bubbles. We ground off the bubbles, and this is what we got. But that's not the surprising part. The surprising part is what's in behind there. The surprising part is this. That is fiberglass. And somebody, when they put the floor pan in, they had the top off of this, and they have poured this full of fiberglass. And you talk about a mess. I've got a mess. And so we've got a rocker panel that it's not very goodly stamped. And it's from a company that's questionable. And I'm not going to mention their name, but if you used them, it starts with a C2, and we'll leave it at that. But it's junk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tape off a line and cut this out, and then we're going to dogleg this up with the rest of it and cut it out from under here, and hopefully this piece will come out. I hope it does without a whole lot of effort, and we'll get to it from there. So stay tuned. A gum. A gum. A gum. Smell that fiberglass. You know what?
Yeah.
You smell it?
Yeah, not too good.
Well, you think electricity means anything? Okay. What a gum. What a gum. Okay. A gum. A gum. What a gum I've got to deal with. Oh, I knew it. What a gum! A gum! Yes, I could lap it at the bottom. That's the only way I know. if anybody's wondering, here's what I'm up against. What you see there is a layer of fiberglass. There's the metal, there's the rocker, and they poured it in here from the top. There's even a thin coat back here, but it's real thick on the bottom. You see how thick it is? That made a good old Western North Carolina, Madison County GAUMMMM is what that is. Oh my. Okay. So, what we got to do here is we got to take this. Okay. This is the bottom. That's the bottom. Yeah, goes like that. I'm gonna trace that out. We've got to trace this out and trace it out and cut it out of this piece. Oh, what a GAUMMMM, what a GAUMMMM. Anyway, I'll see you back here in a minute. A GAUMMMM. All right, my grinder's going. Say hello, Michael. Saying low battery. Back here, we're going to cut this out. This dog leg's going to cut out with this. Now there. A GAUMMMM. All right. Well, we're back at it again today, and we hope you're going to enjoy this. So, just a brief little update that we've got going on is we have cut out the piece of metal that we had in here. And you can see we can see daylight through that. Pretty good, actually. And a GAUMMMM. Anyway, hopefully, here in the near future, we'll have finished the body work here. We've got to grind all this back off. This right here is lacquer primer, and we've got to take that off. And we've got few little places in it, and so we'll get that. I want to finish taking out this line. There's a factory line that goes around through here as a step, and I'm taking that out, and I like that a lot better. I mean, some people might like it, some people don't. I didn't quite like it. I like the smooth line, and we're going to go with that, and hopefully get it green like the house next door here in a little while. But anyway, until the next time, may the Lord bless you as you listen and continue to like that like button, share button, give me some comments. You know, I don't know. We're going to have to go on and figure out how in the world, you know, I don't know. It's free to subscribe, to hit the little like button, you know, just touch that button. I do all the videos that I watch, but anyway, may the Lord bless you, and we'll holler at you next time. Bye-bye.